Meet Jenny Hoyos, the mastermind behind some of the platform's most viral content. With her proven strategies, she's skyrocketed to success, gathering millions of views with each short. But how does she do it? What secrets does she hold to make her content go viral in a flash? Can anyone replicate her success, or is she simply a YouTube prodigy? Let's find out. Let's start things off with Jenny's overall strategy and how she manages to stay consistent with her content. Jenny treats her YouTube channel like a business, keeping her schedule on track and making sure her videos go up regularly. She even sticks to a set schedule, posting new content every Saturday at 10 a.m. EST. By balancing both quality and quantity, she ensures her videos are always fresh and engaging. Even though she's only 18, Jenny's got the understanding of a pro. She's always thinking about how to make her channel profitable and grow her audience. This involves finding a specific audience, or what she calls a blue ocean, an area with less competition and more opportunities to stand out. Jenny believes that being in a blue ocean means having a unique twist on your content. Sure, we all have influences and people we look up to, but at the end of the day, you need to bring something different to the table. Jenny's background in entrepreneurship and business led her to create videos about finance and money, but with a unique focus on kids and young audiences. Jenny Hoyos knows how to bridge the gap between her life and her content perfectly. Coming from a family that saves money like pros, she picked up tips and humor from them and used these experiences to create content that others can relate to. What makes her so unique is her ability to connect with young people who might not usually think about saving money. She makes it fun and relatable, and that's where her magic lies. One key to attracting an audience who isn't usually into saving money is having a killer hook in your video. You want to grab their attention in just a few seconds and keep them watching. So, how does Jenny come up with such catchy hooks? First off, a good hook is short and to the point, no more than 3 seconds long. It needs to catch the viewer's eye and be visually appealing even if the video is on mute. Jenny focuses on great composition. Everything is centered and in the frame, with no more than 3 objects in the shot. If your hook is good enough, you should be able to use it as a thumbnail for one of your longer videos too. The most underrated part of a great hook, according to Jenny, is foreshadowing. A good hook not only stops your scroll, but also encourages you to stick around till the end. Foreshadowing sets expectations for what's to come. An example Jenny shares is starting a video by giving her grandma a $5 Christmas present and capturing her reaction. You get a glimpse of the grandma's reaction, but you don't find out what the gift is until the end. That kind of tease keeps viewers hooked and wanting more. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, grabbing the audience's attention to get them to stop scrolling is crucial, but it doesn't end there. You need viewers to stick around and watch the whole video. That's where storytelling comes in. If you're not naturally gifted in storytelling, don't worry. You can definitely learn and improve this skill. So, what storytelling frameworks and techniques does Jenny Hoyos use? She starts with the simplest and ends with the toughest retention tactic. First up is a basic but powerful technique, but so storytelling. This method involves setting up conflict, resolving it, and then introducing new conflict. For example, instead of saying, "I went for a walk and it started raining, so I went home," you use "but" and "so" to make the story more engaging. "I was at home but got bored, so I went for a walk, but it started raining. So I tried to find an umbrella but couldn't, so I went back home." This keeps the audience interested as they anticipate what happens next. The second technique Jenny loves is dual narrative storytelling. With shorts, you want to keep your videos concise, which can be challenging when trying to convey multiple messages in just 60 seconds. Dual narrative storytelling allows you to tell one story through your voiceover and a different one through visuals. For instance, if you're making a video about giving your grandma a $5 Valentine's gift, you could tell the story of making the present while showing pictures of your grandma with her late husband, providing context without explicitly stating it. Jenny has put in countless hours studying the top creators on YouTube to fine-tune her strategies, and the results speak for themselves. She follows in the footsteps of successful creators like Ryan Trahan, using visuals to add context without overwhelming the audience. It's all about striking the right balance between rhythm and pacing in her shorts. So, what are her best practices when it comes to structure and pacing? Jenny follows a flow that includes a quick hook, a medium-paced middle with a peak somewhere in there, like a funny moment, then back to a medium pace and a quick ending. She explains that it's like a roller coaster ride of emotions, making the video more memorable for the audience. One theory that supports her approach is the peak end theory, which suggests that people remember their favorite part in the ending of a video or movie. Keeping the content tight and dynamic helps avoid losing the audience's interest. Since shorts have a time limit, creators often need to keep their energy up and be concise to avoid rushing through ideas and losing the video's flow. Jenny advises against speaking too quickly. Instead, she focuses on being concise and getting the message across in the fewest words possible. After providing a lot of context, she allows a moment for the audience to absorb and process the information. Before hitting publish, Jenny recommends taking a step back and viewing the video as if you were the audience. Does it make sense? Is it captivating? Does it express the right emotions? Connecting with the audience is crucial, regardless of whether you're making shorts or long-form content. To understand her audience's mindset and preferences, Jenny sends her videos to her target audience for feedback whenever possible. For her, this includes younger family members and even her parents. If that's not an option, she uses her analytics to assess performance, focusing on the retention graph to identify which parts of the video worked and which didn't. Jenny looks for patterns in her analytics, such as which videos perform best over time and the average duration of her top-performing videos. This helps her determine what content resonates most with her audience and what she should focus on for future content. Now, when you watch the content you love from a creator, you want to come back for more. And that's how you build a community and grow on YouTube. So what else does Jenny Hoyos intentionally do to build loyalty and keep viewers coming back? Jenny emphasizes the importance of creating repeatable formats she calls buckets. These are themes or styles of content that viewers can recognize and expect from you. For example, Jenny's buckets might include a series of videos comparing $1 fast food items versus restaurant items. Keeping these videos consistent in structure, title, and format helps YouTube understand what the viewer enjoys and makes it easier for viewers to find similar content they liked in the past. This strategy can lead to increased viewer loyalty and higher chances of them watching more of your content. When it comes to shorts, there's often debate about whether they're worth the time and effort. Jenny insists that shorts can be a viable way to make money, especially if you have a large following. While the ad revenue might not be as high as with long-form videos, there are other ways to monetize, such as through products, courses, and sponsorships. Some creators even earn up to $1 million per sponsored short. So, while it might require some business acumen, shorts can definitely bring in income. A common challenge for creators is converting success from shorts to long-form content. Jenny explains that they are two different games with different challenges. With shorts, every second counts because 1 second is over 1% of retention. Whereas with long-form videos, 1 second isn't a significant percentage of retention. Jenny's strategy for transitioning from shorts to long-form is creating similar feeling content in both formats. She uses the concept of bit-based videos by combining multiple 30-second shorts into an 8-minute video, maintaining a consistent theme that her shorts viewers enjoy. For example, if she has several shorts about recreating fast food items, she might create a long-form video about recreating 100 fast food items, keeping the same theme. Although getting viewers from shorts to long-form videos can be challenging, Jenny's data suggests it is possible. Her top-performing long-form videos have high retention rates from returning viewers, indicating that people are converting from shorts to long-form. She believes this success is due to the similar feel of both types of content. If you're looking to level up your YouTube game, take a page from Jenny's book. Find your unique twist, create repeatable formats that viewers can recognize, and stay focused on delivering value and entertainment.